My name is Natasha and this is Sienna. We had come to Dr. Rafif because I had noticed from a very young age that Sienna, when she would sleep, her lower teeth would be overlapping the front teeth. I didn't know exactly what that was called, but when I did come to Dr. Rafif, I was told that it was an underbite. I was definitely a little bit scared because I didn't know what would be required for a child that young to kind of sort this out, especially since it was affecting her chewing and how she was eating, which was then affecting her weight gain. After doing a lot of research, I thought that she would be the best doctor, and actually from the second we walked in, it was such a seamless experience because it all went so smooth, and in hindsight it was such a quick fix. I wish I had known about it even earlier. I wish there was more information about how easily something like this can be fixed for your child and the effect it has on them in every aspect of their life, from better sleep to better eating to healthier weight gain, and even the facial structure. It was completely different. I could see her face was looking a lot more symmetrical.
Before, my teeth were inside here, and now they come out like normal. Then now I can chew properly.
Just today we had gone ice skating, and she was with a friend of hers, and I was said we have to go to the dentist later, and then she asked me, she's like, oh, but does Sienna have any cavities? And because Inara has cavities, and then Sienna said, no, I have 0 cavities. I have no cavities. Honestly, it was the most incredible experience. It was so smooth and so like she put us at ease from day one. Her attitude towards how she approached Sienna, then I think 3.5 years old or 4, how she put me at ease, how quickly she did the parts that needed to be done quickly, which was like, the clay that goes in the mouth, the way that she managed the gag reflex. And then, of course, how she made it like something cool to have. I think the way Sienna, she left the dentist feeling like she was a star and that she had something really unique in her mouth, which was the retainer. I'll never forget that when we actually took off the retainer, she left feeling sad, saying, I wish I had this on for longer. It was that painless, that easy to keep clean. The whole experience was such a game changer in terms of how it affected the overall health of my child. If there's a parent out there that is worried about the lower teeth overlapping the top teeth, it looks something like this, the quicker you do it, the better. And I can't recommend enough for you to come to Dr. Rafif so that she can kind of guide you through this process. It's a matter of 3 to 6 months, which flew by, and frankly, it's the rest of your life that kind of the change that you see and the positive effects that you see of that. It was really enlightening to me as well. And I make sure to tell all my friends who have young kids and young babies to make sure that they do their yearly doctor visit, and especially when the child is 1. Because what I did realize after meeting Dr. Rafif was that even as soon as like the first tooth comes out, your doctor can see how the teeth are coming out, what you can do to make sure that they come out in a healthy way, how you can avoid the issues that can stem up. And I was sure to bring my little one, who was 1, to her. Anything at that point, from what I gather, can be fixed with something which is non-surgical and it's not complicated, it's not painful. The children enjoy it, and and the parents also. I mean, we really love the experience, and for the good of the health of our child. So it's a win-win. Our doctor took her time to sort of get to know us, talk to Sienna, make it a fun experience, ask her what she likes to watch while she's looking up in the chair. It's the small things that put a child at ease. I never once felt rushed through the appointment or rushed through any of the questions that I had. The follow-ups were amazing. Even during the COVID time, we had to do a few follow-ups. It was really, very smooth sailing and very safe, sanitized, and pre-COVID, Dr. Rafif was awesome. Post-COVID, she was even better because she had all her safety gear on, and we appreciate what the clinic and our doctors do to make sure that our kids are safe, and during a pandemic that shines through even more.